Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and granting the app the right access. Open Settings and enable developer options only if you need ADB later. Then go to Apps, pick your file manager, and open permissions. Tap Storage and choose Allow or Toggle Manage all files access for full directory control. Once done, restart the file manager so the system applies the grant. This step fixes most permission denials by making the app visible to Android's scoped storage policies and letting it read the data folder. You will now use ADB when the GUI still blocks access. Connect USB and confirm USB debugging permission on the phone. In a shell run a DB devices, then a DB shell. Use run as your package. Name to operate as that app. If you have root, use su to get full permissions. Once inside, navigate to /data/your package. Name and use tar or CP to move files. Then exit and use a DB pull to copy data to your PC. This bypasses scoped storage and fixes cases where Android UI denies folder. You finish by ensuring changes persist and by troubleshooting remaining blocks. Clear the file manager cache and force stop the app, then reboot to ensure Android reevaluates permissions. If access still fails, revoke storage permission and re-grant it. Sometimes the system needs the toggle to refresh. If problems continue, inspect Logcat for SE Linux denials or use root or safe mode to confirm whether Android policy is blocking you. Make sure to restore secure settings afterwards so you don't leave data exposed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.